आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
After more than 50 days of lockdown, their tolerance is broken.
It was a sensitive project in the middle of a crisis. Datamatics took up this challenge and the impact was huge. The Datamatics Response Center actively monitored the situation on the ground and acted as a data collection hub. Our ability to deploy process excellence and consumer insights to the authorities played a crucial role in addressing the complex problems in distribution of food. The team attended over 90,000 calls. People without a ration card were given food through the public distribution network. In all, Datamatics helped over 600,000 migrant workers overcome hunger. I'm glad we were able to add value through our efforts and the support and contribution of our donors and distribution partners.
The BMC's COVID response project was about collecting citizens' information, asking for help. Datamatics was able to add a lot of value to the project with its domain understanding of consulting, research, and process. Let me highlight the top 3 things which were appreciated by BMC. First, BMC requested us to send out the list of callers once every day. We did far better. We sent them the list 5 times every day so that the gap between request and fulfillment can be brought down to the lowest possible. Second, transcripts of some of this conversation were provided to Assistant Commissioner regularly so she could get the pulse of the citizens, the levels of distress that they were in, and she could maneuver her resources accordingly. Third and the final and the most important part was a dashboard which would have everything that they would ask for. But more than that, it also had a scorecard generated providing them feasibility of distribution. This was based on some of the information that we requested them to add. For example, whether the person is staying in a containment zone, does he have an Aadhaar card, does he have a ration card, is he from the state of Maharashtra or is he coming from outside, and so on. All put together, this helped BMC to prioritize the places where it can support in a faster manner rather than go all over. In a nutshell, the project, which was more about a response center, was delivered with excellent KPIs using the principles of market research and consulting.
Very early on in the system, we realized that the number of repeat callers we were getting were far greater than what we should have expected. What it basically meant was that there was some gap at the BMC's end through which they were going to be distributing the food to the needy. Hence, we decided to conduct a mystery audit exercise. We hired about 180 auditors, some of them from Datamatics, most of them from outside. These people would actually pose as dummy callers and their database would then be sent to the BMC. We wanted to measure the responsiveness with which BMC would get back to the callers. Unfortunately, we realized that there were a number of gaps we saw in the system. People were not getting it the way they should have been. Hence, the insights from these presentations were presented to the Commissioner of BMC, who was thoroughly delighted to identify some of the blind spots that we came up with and basis that the entire process was completely rejigged, and we worked up a very robust system thereafter.
As a passionate and purpose-led organization working towards the cause of hunger, we continue to partner with ANAM along with some other NGOs. During the lockdown, we have distributed around 25,000 grocery kits to the beneficiaries identified through the BMC helpline. The gap that was observed on the supply side was closed to some extent by these sustained efforts. Our call center also helped alleviate the anxiety of people by providing specific information and the last mile support. To add, we have contributed with our initiatives through part adoption of a slum, virtual interactions, and merit-based employment opportunities with Datamatics. We remain committed to the cause of hunger and will continue to make a difference. We care.